As winter storms rage all across the country, one of the things that people forget about the most are the birds. You see, the most critical time for feeding the birds is actually during the winter, and especially during the coldest parts of winter. Birds with those tiny little bodies are very susceptible to freeze damage or even dying in extremely cold temperatures. They need lots of energy in order to keep those bodies warm. And that's why you will see much more activity at your bird feeders during a winter storm compared to any other time of the year. Back when we had the really bad polar vortex in 2021, there were reports of birds falling out of trees all the time because they did not have enough energy to keep themselves alive. In fact, during that storm, when I was refilling my bird feeders, I had birds literally landing on me and eating out of my hands because they were so hungry because they were so cold. So by putting out food sources that are high quality and full of those healthy fats that the birds need, you could be saving lives. It's also a good idea to have water sources for birds in your yard because most of the water sources around are going to freeze. So if you can have some type of moving water or fountain, or just put out fresh water periodically, then you're going to give those birds a lot better chance of making it through the harsh winter storms.